This is Bob. Bob's house has main water, sewer, air conditioner, and solar panels. What would happen if we took Bob to the moon? Now, a couple things would happen. His plants would die, and his water would boil almost instantly, even though it would still be 4 Celsius from his fridge. This is because the surface of the moon is a vacuum. A vacuum means there's no gas at all. Surface of the Earth has 1 atmosphere of pressure. The moon has 0. And Bob would start to suffocate. With the fishbowl on his head, he could last for 3 minutes. Bob would now need a couple more things. If Bob has a spacesuit, then he could last much longer outside. Even if the spacesuit is heavy, he would have no problem, as things only weigh 1/6 as much on the moon as compared to Earth. And his house would need an airlock. Otherwise, when he opens the door, all the air would get sucked out. He would also need air tanks for his house. Parts of the moon can be in sunlight for more than 14 Earth days at a time, and they can be in darkness for the same time. The days are long and can be very hot, and the nights are cold and can go down to minus 170 degrees Celsius. Bob's spacesuit and house would need to have good insulation and aircon because of this. Because of the low gravity, it is much easier to jump really high, and when he falls, he would fall much more slowly. Here in Bob's kitchen, Bob doesn't have any water or any food. He would need tanks of water, and he'd have to recycle it all. He would need lots of food, either he'd have to grow his own or get regular supplies. Even after all this, he would still be 384,000 kilometers from any other human being.